Hey everyone, glad you're back! Today we're diving into the world of Bitdefender. This antivirus has been on my radar for its solid web protection and anti-malware features, all without breaking the bank. I've been tinkering with it for the past 6 months, really getting into the nitty-gritty of what it offers, and I've got to say it's been quite the experience. Despite a few hiccups here and there, its versatility across different platforms and user-friendly approach makes it a solid contender for just about anyone. And in today's video, I'll take you through what Bitdefender brings to the table, weighing the good with the not so good to help you figure out if it's the right fit for you. Oh, and a little insider tip, when I signed up, I stumbled upon a special link that snagged me a discount I wouldn't have found directly on their site. So if you're curious and thinking about giving Bitdefender a whirl, I've dropped that link in the description for you. I do get commission when you use it, just for the record, but it doesn't cost you a thing, so we're all winners here. Now, before I jumped on the Bitdefender bandwagon, I'll admit I was a tad skeptical about some of the big promises they were making, so I put on my work boots, which nobody in the house liked because I just got everything dirty, but regardless, I decided to put on my work boots and give it a real-world challenge. I loaded my PC with an assortment of digital gremlins, viruses, trojans, spyware, Twitter, you name it. Running a full system scan was what I chose to do as my ultimate test, and guess what? It took around an hour, but it caught over 90% of those sneaky bugs, 0-day threats included. And the best part, my computer didn't even flinch performance-wise during the scan. Turns out, Bitdefender's magic happens in the cloud, meaning my computer doesn't have to do the heavy lifting, keeping things smooth and speedy. They've got a whole arsenal of scans too. Quick scans for a speedy checkup, custom scans for digging into specific corners, and vulnerability scans that give me a nudge about updating my software and fixing weak passwords. I guess 1234 doesn't cut it anymore. And that last one's been a real eye-opener, reminding me to keep my digital house in order without having to manually check everything myself. Now on to a feature that honestly impressed me, Bitdefender's approach to ransomware. For those of you who might not know, ransomware is like the digital equivalent of a hostage situation, but for your files. It locks them up and demands payment for their release. While most antivirus software can spot and isolate ransomware, Bitdefender takes it a step further. It kicks into gear the moment it senses ransomware activity, making backup copies of your files so you can breathe easy knowing your important stuff is safe no matter what. Then there's Bitdefender Shield. This thing is like a digital guardian angel. It's on constant lookout for any threats trying to sneak in via downloads, emails, or any other way. It's so sharp that I couldn't even get my test malware past it without completely turning it off. It caught everything I threw at it and kept it locked away. And the anti-phishing? Top notch. And I'm not even a phisher, but it was great. It checks out every site you visit, and if it smells something fishy, pun intended, it slams the door shut on it. I put it up against the best phishing protection in Chrome and Firefox, and Bitdefender came out ahead, not even breaking a sweat. Plus, it lets you mark safe sites as trusted, keeping any overzealous blocking in check. But there is still more in Bitdefender's toolbox, from a VPN for securing browsing, courtesy of Hotspot Shield, to a password manager that remembers your keys so you don't have to. It still hasn't found my car keys, but that's okay. And there's also parental control to keep the young ones safe online, while webcam and microphone protection ensures no one's spying on you. The anti-tracker keeps advertisers at bay, and SafePay shields your online transactions, and the system tune-up tools keep your device running smoothly. Plus, there's protection against identity theft, which is like having a digital bodyguard for your personal info, though I don't know who wants my identity. I don't want it either. About the VPN though, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The free version comes with a 200 megabyte cap, which is like a teaser of what you could have. Opting for a premium plan unlocks a world of servers, unlimited data, and speeds that would make even Lightning jealous. Ka-chow. The password manager Bitdefender tosses into the mix is pretty smart too, suggesting beefy passwords when you're setting up new accounts and filling them in for you when needed. Plus, it's got this cool feature that audits your password vault, flagging any passwords that are reused, aging, weak, or have been compromised. It's like having a personal password advisor. Then there's the parental control feature, which is a godsend for managing the digital well-being of your family. It lets you set how long devices can be used each day, oversee apps and websites, keep tabs on location, and even peek at the latest contacts added. The webcam and microphone protection is your shield against the creepy side of someone spying on you through your own devices. It's vigilant, blocking unauthorized access attempts outright. Bitdefender's anti-tracker feature is your cloak of invisibility against trackers, keeping nosy cookies and scripts at bay, ensuring your online travels don't leave breadcrumbs for advertisers to follow. And SafePay, it's like having a secure armored vehicle for your online transactions. Honestly, I use it all the time, so I can personally vouch for it. The system tune-up tools are the digital equivalent of a spring clean, sweeping away the cobwebs of unused files, cookies, and other digital nuisances that can slow down your device. While it gives your device a boost, it's worth noting that it doesn't have every tool under the sun, like a startup optimizer or a duplicate file finder, but it still does a solid job of sprucing up your system's performance. And lastly, the identity theft protection is constantly scanning the dark corners of the internet and the dark web as well for any signs that your personal info might be out in the wild due to a data breach or something. If it finds anything, there's a safety net offering coverage up to $2 million for US residents, though the specifics depend on where you live. So it's a good idea to check out the finer details directly with Bitdefender. Alright, now that we've gone through what Bitdefender has up its sleeve, let's talk numbers. They've got a free version that's pretty basic but decent for starters on Windows and Mac. For those who want to up their security game, and I'd say it's worth considering, their paid plans range from $40 to $100 for the first year, and the sweet spot, their premium security plan. At $80 for 10 devices, it packs in a VPN with unlimited data, top-tier security, and a whole suite of privacy and optimization goodies. Plus, they're throwing in a 30-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can take it for a spin without sweating the commitments. So now, the actual question. Would I recommend Bitdefender? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse with stellar malware detection and web protection. And also, for all the extras you get, the price to value ratio is pretty impressive. Sure, we've touched on a few things, but nothing's perfect, right? Overall, it's a quality antivirus that won't have you emptying your wallets. And that wraps up our chat for today, ladies and gentlemen. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest videos like this. Of course, if you're interested in Bitdefender, check out the link in the description for a special discount. That's a bit of a secret handshake. You won't find it just by visiting their sites. And if you have any Bitdefender questions as well, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you with insights and answers. As always though, thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, take care.